So we're coming off of a pretty good pull yesterday.
What did we get?
We got our legendary Daisy.
Yeah.
Right? So, pretty cool. So, there's our legendary Daisy to go with our legendary Donald. We need a common and we need a grail in there.
Mm-hmm.
And no rares. Maybe we'll go back and get some more Donald cubes and try to fill in that rare and perhaps even an ultra grail. But, okay. So, yesterday was definitely going to be a single video because it was our first one.
Yeah.
We may get a dupe, and that means we go again. We may get lucky and get something new. So, what's it going to... Who's picking? You're picking again?
Yeah.
You're so good at sharing.
No, I'm not.
I know! Go ahead.
Eyes closed.
I'm not the one picking. You do it. You're way up in the corner.
Where?
Okay.
Oh.
All right, look. You just got to go side to side. Not all over the place. All right, you're above number 2. Close enough. All right. Let's see. Let's see what is inside.
Can I do it?
Yeah. What are you hoping for?
Grail?
Yeah. All right. Let's see. Nikki
maybe
wants a
like-
grail. Cryptoids. Make it happen. I'm feeling a rare. I don't know why. Am I right? Another legendary!
We can open it. We can open it.
We can, but let's just continue the process.
I'm excited. No, after Donald, no.
2 legendaries. Look at that. Ooh, that's a good cereal. See, it's a good thing we didn't open it. We want to keep that one. All right.
The other one's pretty high.
Okay. Let's see.
You can pick.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, or 3. We'll do 3. I don't know why, but we'll do 3. Another legendary. Uh-oh. What's happening?
Wait.
Okay, this might be my computer. And I love the color when it comes to, it fills in and like comes to life. And the sketch, look at that. And the magic of Mickey. There it goes. And a common. That's okay. We always want the commons. We always want the commons. And
I just realized her glasses look like her shoes.
oh, they are like that. Look at that.
Like, if you look at the top of her shoes.
Yeah. Huh. How do you like that? All right. Let's go ahead and fill this in real quick. Let's just grab this color and drop that in over there. Look at that. Matching. Matching. Oh, it looks like we need a grail to match everything. All right. So back to the backpack we go. We're going to bring Daisy to life. Look at Donald. He's so happy and silly.
Donald.
Okay. Neon Daisy. Oh, yeah. Let's keep that 160. Now it's a legendary. You sure you want to take it out of the packaging?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Can I open it?
Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Look at her. Now, I don't even know what to expect with her. Like, Donald, I was, like, waiting for him to flip out. And I can't. And, of course, he did. I was talking to Poof earlier today, and I said, you know, the way he flings the camera is just so funny. It's just so Donald, right? My exact words, it's just such a Donald thing to do, right?
Yeah.
That something goes wrong. Remember, it starts, the camera doesn't work. So then he points it at himself. And then, of course, it works. So the flash goes off in his eyes. And now it's all going horrible for him.
He gets mad.
And then he gets mad. And that's just so typical. Oh, Donald. Well, Daisy's usually the one that keeps Donald from being nuts. So let's see what she does. Ah! She puts them on. Oh, look at her. She's posing. How adorable. Oh, she looks at us over the glasses. Look at her. She's so cute.
Donald's definitely better still.
Oh, yeah, because he's a lunatic. But, this is a very, Daisy-like thing. Like, pose, everybody look at me. That's a very Daisy thing to do. Excellent. All right. Well, so let's take a look here. What do we have? We have 3? 3 to go? 2 to go? 2 to go. All right. 1 yesterday, 2 today. All right. So, Friday... so, Sunday and Monday, right? We'll have for these 2. All right, guys. We'll see you for the last 2. Then there's going to be a bit of a gap. And then Goofy drops. So, we'll see what happens on Goofy Day. Hopefully when Goofy comes to life, he does something goofy. No?
No.
Corny? Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm being told I'm corny, so we gotta go. We'll see you guys tomorrow.